Welcome back, YouTube. You tuned in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today, and I'm back at it again. One of my favorite things to eat, man. So if you already can't tell what I'm making, hey, I'm making some wings. About to get down with these buffalo hot wings. So today I'm gonna be keeping it real simple on the chicken seasoning, cause I got some amazing sauce I picked up that I'm gonna be trying out today. It's some Jazzy wing sauce, Cajun garlic buffalo sauce. Can't wait to try it out. So we're gonna go ahead and season it up with some of this nice sea salt. We're gonna hit it with some kosher black pepper. Now they're ready to go in the grease. My grease is already preheated. Alright, so I'm gonna just start putting my wings in the basket. I'm gonna fill up the basket. Go ahead and drop it in there. Okay, let's go ahead and take our chicken out. Alright, so you guys, this is Jazzy wing sauce I picked up from my man Chef Deshaun out here in Hampton Roads. Hey, I'm gonna put the in the description below. I'm gonna put it where you can get it from. Hey, go over and check him out at Jazzy wing sauce on IG, and you can order it. He can ship it, all different sorts of stuff. So this right here is the Cajun garlic buffalo hot sauce. I'm about to go ahead and pop this thing open and try it out, man. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just pour it in a bowl like you would do some with some hot wings or something. So you can see that garlic and the peppers and stuff in there. It smells good. So I'm gonna just throw my wings in here. Go ahead and give them a little shake up. Alright, I'm gonna set these to the side, let them cool off before I try them out, man. So I can really get that flavor out of there, because I don't want to bite into it and burn my tongue up. Stay tuned. Welcome back, YouTube. Today you tuned in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Today I got some beef finger ribs, and I'm gonna keep it really simple with this recipe because I'm also gonna be doing a review on Jazzy's wings honey chipotle barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna just hit it with some sea salt and black pepper. So let's go ahead and start by seasoning out. Give them a flip. So y'all, here we have the final product of the finger ribs. Man, it smells amazing. I'm telling you, and that barbecue sauce put a nice glaze on these ribs. Hey, if you guys want to try this, just hit up my man on Instagram at Jazzy Wing Sauce, or you can hit him up at jazzywingSauce@gmail.com. I can't wait to dig into these, you guys. Hey, thanks for tuning in today to your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Peace out.